What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a stock Hemi Predator versus a stage 1 non-Hemi top speed ride around type deal. The stage 1 has a torque converter setup on it, straight pipe, a jet and an air filter. The Predator is all stock with a clutch and old tires, new tires type deal. I haven't made a mini bike video in quite a while, so we're gonna make one today. We're gonna do a little speed test and comparison on both of these machines. So the red one, once again, is the non-Hemi with a stage 1. The purple one is a Hemi, all stock. Both these bikes, as you guys seen, were, I guess you can call them frame off restores. Redid them both. I set them up a little different. See, the red one, I got the kill switch on the left side. The purple one, I got the kill switch on the right side. The purple one has a cable brake. The red one has a hydraulic brake. You going faster, you got to stop faster. So, red one's got the better brakes on it. The purple one's got mostly factory brakes on it. Pretty much everything on here is stock. The red one has the bent frame on it, and the purple one has the bent frame. DB30, and the red one is a DB30S. I'm assuming the S is a straight frame. My opinion, the straight frame is better. It's a little bit bigger. For me, I'm 6 foot, so plenty of room. Some of the guys that have been here a while, they've seen that I bent the bars forward to clear my knees. I did that on the purple one also. So we're gonna start with the purple one first, since it is slower, and get a comparison on that one, and then we will move up to the red one. And it's just going to be a backyard run, so we're not really going for top speed. We'll go as fast as we can back here. It's pretty bumpy, no suspension. One of these days I'll try to get out on some pavement and do a top speed run. I know this one goes like 42. I'm not sure about the purple one, so we're going to go from there and we'll see which one we like better. So excuse the Crocs, but start it up. It's already a little bit warm. I got it out here, so should start up. Very bumpy back here. I don't got good dirt, it's all clay. It's dry, so it's really rock hard. That's flooring right here. So you see, this one's got the governor in it still. It kicks out early compared to this stage 1. It's got the non-governor in it. We'll go from a dead stop. So this one's about maxing out. You can hear the governor kick in, and the engine kind of starts to go from raising up and idle to kind of leveling out. So backyard is just about big enough to get this one to top out. Being so bumpy and stuff. forward, this is forward. So see, it's tapped out right now, still holding it wide open. See how bumpy it is back here. It's hard for me to hang on also. Coming off the seat. Flooring it, flooring it. So this one taps out pretty quick. I would have to say, this is just me guessing right here without seeing the data logs, it's probably about 25 miles an hour, maybe 30. We'll shut this one off and we'll get this one going. This one's going to be a lot harder to hang on to. This one is definitely faster. So let's get this one changed over. I got to change out the axle nut because I was riding it and it came out. So I just got to change the axle nut from that one to this one. And we'll fire this one up and do the same thing. All right, a quick axle nut change. This one's ready to go. This one's not as warm. This one's got the torque converter, so this one's a little bit more torquey on the start. It'll pull a wheelie, no problem. Just like that. Now I'm sitting forward on the seat. I'm gonna do a first kind of warm up lap real quick. this thing away before the cops come, I guess. So there you have it. The red one is definitely better. No question about it. Faster, quicker off the line. So if anybody has any questions about these things, feel free to ask. I'll be here answering all the questions I can about parts and whatnot. So thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment or a like, even, you know, seeing what you guys like. Make some more videos. Hope you enjoyed. I know a lot of people were wanting some more videos, so made one real quick and quick speed test. Like I said, this one should go 42. We'll see what the log says on the GoPro, but besides that, thanks for watching and hope to see you on the next one.